Today, as we stand under the vibrant sky of India, I want to talk about a day that fills our hearts with pride and gives us the freedom to talk our minds. Yes, it is the Republic Day. As already pointed out, the theme of this year's Republic Day is Golden India, Heritage and Development, reflecting its rich culture and ongoing journey of progress. This day symbolizes not only the freedom from British rule, but also the limitless possibilities and dreams that our vibrant India now aspire to achieve. Republic Day is not just about remembering the past, it's about embracing the present and building the future. It's a freedom to learn, to dream big and aim high. It's a freedom to speak up and have our hearts heard. It is a freedom to be tolerant and to be kind to others. Let me speak about the most important features of Republic Day. First one, the unity in diversity, which is the essence of our Republic Day. Unity in diversity. As we all know, we speak many languages, we follow many religions, and we have different varieties of food, but national pride and the togetherness, that is the most important thing. Secondly, education is for all. That is the key to the progressive republic. A nation can progress only when its citizens are empowered with knowledge and enlightenment. Education is not just for reading books and learning to write. It is a responsible citizens to be shaped. That is most important. Our constitution recognizes this through its article number 21, which guarantees the education for all. It is our responsibility, that is the classroom, to ensure that every classroom becomes a bridge for the bright future, which becomes a catalyst for our Republic, India. Thirdly, the journey of the Indian Constitution from vision to reality. Our Constitution is not just a document, but a living testament to the dreams and struggles of countless people who sacrificed their lives to liberate our country. Fourth, the digital India, which transforms the nation in the 21st century. It is not just the gadgets or gizmos, it is about bridging the socio-economic gaps, creating new opportunities and ensuring that no one is left behind in the race towards a tech-driven future. Last but not the least is the women empowerment, which is a pillar of India's Republic. It is not just a slogan, but an essential catalyst for the advancement of nation. A testament to the strength and success of its women is essence of a true republic. It's an imperative for the holistic development of our country. Freedom in mind, strength in words, pride in our souls, people call Indians. Yes, we proud Indians celebrate the Republic Day not just with flags and sweets, but with actions. Let's be responsible citizens upholding the values of our Constitution. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.